Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp and check out their subscription boxes. This is Acecook with their long-named fried chicken flavored yakisoba. It sounds good to me. So, let's get it on. Isn't that like what they like to say? Oh, that was close. Get that. Liquid, powder, and noodle. And this will steep for 3 minutes once it gets all contiguous. So, yeah, when is it for you? You're in April, aren't you? I'm guessing the top 10 global list just came out. It's crazy. It's like, I'm so far ahead, and there's so many things to get done, and it's, I don't know. I don't want to say I'm not feeling it, but I'm not kind of feeling it as much as I was with the ramen thing. It's nice because I don't have to, like, do reviews every week, like, all week long, just to make sure that I've got enough so I can keep it continuing on. I mean, it's like late December. I'm about, I believe, to hit episodes of the show in May. And generally, the posts that come out are about 30 to 45 days after the shows come out. So it's like a double-tiered schedule that really works quite well. So, yeah. So basically, this week I'm doing reviews as much as I can, but I mean, it's Christmas week, so that makes it difficult. And the kids are home. But with the kids home, then I'm not out walking, and that's like my favorite thing to go do, is just like be outside and moving around. So it's kind of a gotcha. What I might do is from here on, maybe I'll just take Wednesdays and do 5 reviews on Wednesdays. Well, then I gotta have time to get the reviews, all and posts and everything already on Wednesdays. But I could just take Wednesday off and have everything done by the time I get them off the bus. That's a possibility. I don't want to be doing it when my wife's home from work, because I like spending time with her. I mean, I like spending time with the kids too, don't get me wrong, but generally they're schooling it up. So, and they're gone all day. So it's a tricky thing. A tricky maneuver to balance what I want to do with what I kind of need to do. So yeah. It's Thursday. Now I'm hoping that my package shows up. I don't think it's gonna, though. I think it's gonna. Oh, you want to see what my wife got me for our anniversary? It's great. I got her... What did I get her? Oh, I got her candy. Yeah. She got me that. So that's cool. We always get stuff... silly stuff for our anniversaries. Yeah. Okay, I'm hoping this will be dark, because there's nothing I dislike more than really boring looking yakisoba. I like it to have at least some kind of look to it, you know what I mean? Other than just being like a blanched, bleachy looking noodle. Alright. So we got noodle, we got a dry powder seasoning. Uh-oh. So he's yelling stop it at Miles, I think. And Miles is making high-pitched happy noises. So basically, he's driving his little sister crazy. Uh-oh. It sounds as if violence may come soon. I warn him, I'm like, dude, don't get girls too. Miles is spitting on you? Hey, Miles, can I have your tablet? Why don't you play out here, sweetie? That's horrible. I will attend to Miles and his spitting situation once I'm done doing my show. And what are you doing? You don't spit on your sister. No, none of that crap. Come on. Don't do it, or you're going to lose that tablet. You should probably lose your tablet for that. It's not polite. You want me to spit on you?
No.
Ah, exactly. So you got to think. Don't do things that other people won't like, that you wouldn't like. Okay? 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 Alright. It's a living. Alright, here's our kind of haphazardly. It's supposed to be fried chicken flavored. I made some kind of fried chicken looking chicken in honor of this with Moroccan seasoning from my good friend the Reverend Dick Gazinia. There we go. Cheers. I don't like the noodle, but I like the seasoning, which is tasty. But the noodle, sorry, Acecook, yet again, you make a yakisoba with a noodle that I just can't stand. It isn't very often when I find a yakisoba I'm like head over heels about these days. Generally the ones that have been around for a long time, those are top notch. They're good. But some of these new ones, I would say if I could get a shaker of the seasoning on this, I would. Gambare? I know. I don't know. Let's add our egg. I fried an egg. Is it a perfect fried egg? I wouldn't say that. I think I was a little too impatient with this thing. Well, there's a fried egg. Somebody somewhere is going, you don't put fried egg on yakisoba. Oh, I do. Imaginary person saying no, you don't. There's some chicken that looks like fried chicken. It's actually baked. And look at that. I didn't make too much spring onion. Now that's the problem. See, if the noodle was darker, I would be happier with this, but the noodle is not very dark. And so it just looks kind of meh. I'm getting the meh factor on it. Meh. Put a little bit of crushed red pepper right about there. I think I'm calling it good, and I wish it looked better. Doesn't look too bad. I really like my new light. I gotta say, I love it. I like my new light, yeah. Yeah, I want a different song. All right, well, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Yeah, there'll be more that I'll be doing. You'll see more tomorrow and all that. And this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Just go to www.theramenraider.com and go look at all the reviews. And just keep clicking next. There's over 4,000 of them. But if you did that, that'd really help me out. So do that. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.